The old days of complicated, hard-to-use investment apps are gone. Now we have lots and lots of investment apps, but which one is best for you? Today we're talking about an investment app that's brand new, coming from one of the top brokers, Interactive Brokers, their new app, the Global Trader, that I would recommend as one of the top investment apps for your mobile phone. Take a look at it right here in this video, so make sure you guys stay tuned. All right. What's going on, guys? Patrick here. Today we're going to dive into the Interactive Brokers Global Trader app. They recently launched this. They already have their Interactive Brokers platform for trading the workstation on desktop, but with the new Global Trader app, it allows people that really are looking for a simple and easy to use app to buy and sell stocks. I would say this is probably one of the best apps for a beginner to start out and to get into investing. If you're looking to start investing today, I would definitely check out the Global Trader app. So first off, this is the home page. You got your info, you got your indices, you got the watch list. You can create your watch list. You can go through right here and add different stocks to your watch list. You can get rid of your stocks. I would say when you first started investing, a good thing to really use is a watch list. What you want to do is you want to look for companies that you know, Apple, Amazon, Tesla, these companies that are hot and are always moving, people are talking about. Put these in your watch list. Keep an eye on them. See when they're moving. Kind of see what the overall patterns are. If you see that some of the stocks in your watch list are moving, up and up, you might think, hey, the market's moving green. You kind of see the overall movements in the market. You could add all these different stocks. You got Facebook on there as well. Now, when you pull up the actual stock, it'll give you a chart here. You can go the daily, the monthly, and the 3-month there, and kind of dive into that. You can also change it to a candlestick chart. So a lot of the apps that are out there on your phone, they won't allow you to have candlesticks, but on the Global Trader app, you have the use of candlesticks. So you can go right there and you can actually chart this out, like, hey, look, I see there's been a bottom on Facebook at the kind of low there at the 169 area on the 27th. And right now we're at $182. So maybe if we get back down to that level again, maybe we bounce, might be an opportunity to buy. So we kind of scroll through here, gives you market data, gives you overall company profile. If you wanted to buy the stock, you can just click on the bottom, buy. Let's say I want to buy, 10 shares of Facebook. I'm going to go click 10, the limit price. 2, if I want to change, let's just say I just want to get in. I don't really care about a limit price here. I can click my market buy there, and I'm going to click preview. It's going to show me that I can buy those 10 shares of Facebook, and the amount being $1,800. It'll give you analyst ratings there as well, the recent news and everything on that stock right there on the app. So everything that you need information-wise. And like I said, you have the charts there as well. So the big focus for Interactive Brokers with the Global Trader was to make a very simple and easy to use platform. And I do believe that they achieved that goal with the Global Trader app. When you first start out, you don't need a bunch of crazy indicators, a bunch of crazy charts. All you really need to do is create a watch list on top companies. The best thing that I say for people when they're first starting out investing is to walk around your house. Create a watch list. You go, okay, I'm going to look at Apple. I've got an Apple phone. I've got, I've got a Windows computer. Maybe I'm going to buy some Microsoft. I drive a Ford truck. I'm going to buy some Ford stock. And that's a cool thing to do. Go through your house, see what products you're using, and then those are kind of give you an idea of like, hey, maybe that's a company that I want to invest in, because I know, that I've owned a Ford truck for the last 10 years, but I never owned stock in the company. Going back to the home screen now, you can see that you can actually buy cryptocurrency as well through the app, through the Global Trader app. You click right there on Bitcoin. Let's say you want to buy Bitcoin at the $29,000 level. Well, you can do it, no problem. You go there and show the charts, and that'll allow you to buy Bitcoin. You can buy Ethereum, Litecoin, and BCH Bitcoin Cash as well there on the app. So you can have your stocks, you can have your cryptocurrency, all through the Global Trader app. Also on there, you see we got the news and information, what's going on in the market that day. And well, there's pretty much the breakdown. Like I said, the big focus here for the Global Trader app is to make it very simple and easy. And like I said, it doesn't get much simpler and easy than this, being able to pull this up. And again, guys, I think it's really important, build a watch list, keep an eye, watch those hot stocks, maybe buy one share of a company that you think is going to be promising in the future, buying one share of Apple, and then watching that and seeing how it grows, and maybe buying another one, and basing your overall investment strategy, having a plan, every week, so that you can invest maybe $100 every week. Being consistent is the key to investing, And the Global Trader is very simple. It's very streamlined. You don't need anything crazy. It's all right there on the app. You can buy, you can sell, and you can get all of that fun stuff going on there. So there it is, the Global Trader app from Interactive Brokers. Like I said, when you first start out, the best thing to do is just create a little bit of a watch list. Keep an eye on the overall market. Learn and see what's going on. The top stocks to watch. You got the SPY for the overall market for the S&P 500. You've got the QQQ for the NASDAQ to keep an eye on as an ETF. If you wanted exposure to the NASDAQ, you can buy the QQQ. You can buy the SPY for the overall market exposure for the S&P 500. And you can kind of go through, get a watch list going. And I think if you really want to start investing, you want to get into the market, the best thing to do is just to start watching some of your favorite top stocks, seeing how they're moving, seeing the patterns, watching the charts, and learning. Start small and then be consistent on how you invest daily or monthly or weekly, depending on your overall structure with your pay. And the thing that I think is most important for any new investor is to only invest the money that you're willing to basically not touch for at least a minimum of a year. So, if you have $1,000 in your bank account and you have to pay your rent, you have to pay your bills, maybe the best idea is to not invest $1,000 right away. You can start out with $100. You can start out with $10 and be consistent, my friends. Buy one share of Apple every month for the next 10 years. And well, I would say, I can't guarantee you'll be a millionaire, but if you continue to do this, you continue to be consistent with that for the next 10, 20, 30 years, you will see a massive return in the future based on what the market has done for the last 40 years, going up and up. I think the market overall, the last 40 years is up like 8,000%. So, buying companies that you see value in, buying companies, especially during a bear market. Right now, the market's crashing down. There's a lot of really hot stocks that are out there that are giving you some really good entries in terms of risk to reward here, especially seeing some of these top companies, like Netflix that were up to $1,200 recently. You can buy Netflix now for under $200. So there is opportunity out there. Obviously, this is not financial advice. I'm telling you right now, please don't go out and invest all the money that you have in your bank account today. Be consistent. Be religious about it. Make it a thing. Make it almost like a goal for yourself to want to invest a little bit every single week or month, depending on, your financial situation. So there it is. Slow and steady, my friends. Investing is a marathon. It's not a race.
Yeah.